My name's Chris Sanders with Lonestar Natural Electric.
And I'm Reed Namatali.
And you see these solar panels up there? We're doing something pretty interesting with our company where we're combining the power of the sun and we're turning that into something that everybody needs, and that is
sustainable water.
That's right, perpetual water. And here's how we do it. We take the sun energy right here and then we use that energy and then we put it into our air-to-water machines. Now, what this machine is doing is it's taking the humidity out of the atmosphere, and as you can see, we have a 4-part RO filtration system going from particulates in the air all the way down to finer parts. The silver thing on the bottom there, that's a UV light. So the thing that we can do here is, basically provide the cleanest water to any missionary in any location on the planet. And that's something that means a lot to us. So as a company, Lonestar Natural Electric is trying to save lives. The other thing that makes it interesting is we also think that this has huge benefits for industries such as the poultry industry. Now, when you think about it, chickens, they don't require that much water, but the water then becomes your meat and your eggs. Well, imagine now the whole entire poultry industry in the United States having a cleaner solution. And then also, this spills over into the dairy industry and the beef and cattle industry. So we have a solution that's sustainable and it can address the water crisis that's happening in the United States of America. And it's all being brought to you by Lonestar Natural Electric. And we're just doing that because, honestly, because we care. You guys have anything to say?
No, other than the fact that the agriculture is going to be able to benefit. These units are completely portable. So if you're able to put a solar array on top of a shed or any sort of building apparatus, you can build a rack system to sit there and follow the vernal equinox. Putting that into this machine, putting the solar directly into these batteries, and then putting the batteries into inverters, and then having all of that, you basically come across some of the cleanest water ever tested in the history of the Environmental Protection Agency. So the EPA traveled out to Chris's ranch in New Mexico, and they ran tests. They put 50,000 volts of electricity through this water, and it never combusted, it never ignited. Now, in the event that you were to put some form of catalyst in there, like a hair or something, then yes, indeed, you'll have an explosion.
Yep.
But the thing is, that tells you the quality of the water that you're able to get at an arid atmosphere, okay? Here at 660 feet, 630
Actually,
feet.
exactly 537. That's the drinking water for the city of Dallas. And halfway up here is the 537. So but the interesting thing, one of the first things that told me this was clean water is actually the old air conditioning dehumidification system in my house built in 1981 was dehumidifying a lot of water. And all the ducks would come up out of the lake and drink the water there. And this is the drinking water for the city of Dallas. And I had no idea. Then they sent us these pamphlets saying don't eat more than 1 fish a month out of this lake. Well, are we supposed to drink this water? So it's loaded full of diazine, atrazine, and grazon because of what's happened up in Aubrey, Texas, and all the racehorses. And it having just sand up there basically made everything from the permeability and porosity leach directly into the drinking water for the city of Dallas. So people that live in Dallas, yeah, this is a better drinking water solution for you. We can put one in each home. But more importantly, we thank churches like Prestonwood Baptist Church, Watermark. What other one did you say?
Lakewood.
In Lakewood. We can help change our own communities because we are toxified here in Texas. Cities like Midland, Odessa, Texas, they totally need this solution because everything underneath the ground has been contaminated. We're going to go up there to Flint, Michigan, teach them about this, but then offer drilling solutions so that we can help the people quickly because we don't think those children have 4-6 months to be bathing in lead. And everybody in America deserves clean water, and that's the goal of Lonestar Natural Electric.
Absolutely.
All right, well, thank you guys.
Thank you, folks, for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers.